Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi Robot won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a depleted battery or a malfunctioning power button. If not addressed promptly, your device could suffer further damage, leading to more costly repairs down the line. The first thing you'll need for this repair is a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery if needed. Make sure you have a clean workspace and all your tools ready before starting. To begin, ensure your robot is turned off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry the casing apart. Start at the seam and work your way around, taking care to avoid any internal components. Once the casing is off, you will typically find the battery located near the bottom of the robot. If the battery seems swollen or damaged, it will need replacing. To locate it, look for the screws securing the battery compartment. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, applying a moderate amount of force. Be cautious not to strip the screws, as this could make them difficult to remove. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If there are any cables connected, carefully disconnect them, taking note of their orientation for reassembly. When inserting the new battery, make sure to connect the cables securely and in the correct order. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, reattach the screws to secure the battery in place and carefully align the casing back onto the robot. Press the casing together until it clicks into place, ensuring that no cables are pinched in the process. Finally, turn the robot on to check if it's functioning properly. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure that you regularly charge your Xiaomi Robot and keep the charging contacts clean. Additionally, avoid exposing the robot to extreme temperatures or moisture, as these can impact the internal components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.